What's up everyone? Welcome to Boosted Motorsports. Today's video, we're going to be working on the Honda S2000. I have been trying to piece together the interior after replacing all the interior inside of it since it was pretty much ruined. So if you guys haven't seen the last video, we ended up replacing the seats. So I'll show you guys that here and I'll show you the old seats. Well, first off, this is why I was replacing the old seats. Ripped there on the bottom and all dried out. And if you look there, you can probably see absolutely ruined. So here is the new seats, and I also, these ones are spotless and the leather is still soft, and I put in a carpet on this side since old carpet was ruined, and we've kind of just been replacing everything. And also, if you guys take a look at the driver's side, it also looks amazing now too. So this seat is also in really good shape, and I swapped the bolsters so that or I guess not the bolster, but the seat base with the passenger side, just to give the driver's side one a rest since it's on that side now and it's on the inside. And now I'm going to put the carpet in here. So the carpet just showed up, and I also have this trim piece. So we'll go ahead and we will show you that. This project, you guys, if you haven't seen it, check the videos. We've been working on that thing quite a bit. But we're doing heads and cam on this, and still a ton of projects all over the place here. Here's the carpet. I just got shipped. I haven't even opened it yet, so let's open it up and see what we got. There she is. Oh yeah, this is in very good shape, you guys, very good shape. So no holes, no wears, which is what I was going after. I think it came out of a car with like less than 70,000 miles. So anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and vacuum it real quick and then we'll throw it in. All right, so carpet is now perfectly clean. This like sound deadening stuff never seems to stick on these Honda carpets, so I'm gonna do my best to put it back in as we put the carpet in. But I'm gonna pull both, well not both, I'm gonna pull the driver's side seat, so a 12 mil, 14 mil, we'll pull that seat and we can get this in. Oh, look at this little guy. I found a dead little birdie. I'm gonna take the roof off of this thing, so I'm gonna retract it. It makes it a lot easier to take the seat out, so let's peel that back. All right, so there we go. Seat is out. We got our carpet ready to go. I gotta pull out a few of these clips here. I think I might have to get a screwdriver, or I might be able to do them with my hand, but the carpet has to go back under this center console trim, or I guess leather in this case. So I'm gonna have to get something to pop those out with, and then we'll lay the carpet in here. And I also have this trim piece here as well, and this one we'll put back in. And I have to remove this dead pedal here because carpet's got to go through that. All right, next up, I'm gonna put this trim panel piece back in finally. And now I can finally put this back in. This has looked unfinished ever since I pretty much started bought and working on the car, because we ripped the carpet out almost immediately. So there we go. Now I can put the seat back in. Okay, so this is a new trim piece for the window. Well, not new, it's used, but I figured it's only no point in getting a brand new one and then it's better than the rest of the trim on the car. So I just got another one that's equally equivalent to the rest of the car. I got it off eBay. A few of the clips are broken, but luckily I have good clips here. So I'm gonna exchange these little plastic white clips and we'll get this on. Okay, finally we can put this missing trim piece on here. So here's all the slots where all those white speed clips go. Let's pop this thing on. Okay guys, trim piece is on. Probably use a lick of Armor All or some sort of Aerospace 303 or something just to clean it up, but she's on and looks much better. Okay guys, so most of the interior is finished, but I am going to be trying this out. I've always used Meguiar's and had good luck with Meguiar's, and if you guys watched one of my last videos where I tried a different product, it's kind of made the old seats horrendous looking. So I'm gonna try this on that, but you'll have to wait for my review on this. I'm gonna do a completely separate video just on this, before and after, just so we can maintain this, and then if works good here, please on that. All right, and last but certainly not least is I replaced 2 of the coil packs some time ago. If you guys have been following along the channel for a little bit, I had a misfire and I pretty much ruled out everything except for the coil packs. I did an ohm test and a resistance test on the coil packs and found 2 of them. They were all over the chart, but 2 of them were really bad, and I replaced 2 of them and it was fine for the longest time, but I left 2 of the old ones. Well, now that the heat's starting to pick up, it's been under, you know, when it's like over 100 degrees out, I can really feel the car hesitating again. So I picked up 2 more so that we have all 4 new coil packs and not just 2. So I'm gonna fire these 2 in. It's just a 10 mil bolt, super simple. So there's the old Denso coil packs. We'll put the new ones in. Alright guys, so that's going to be a wrap for today's video. Just a little bit of upkeep on the S2000, and what I'm going to try and do is the S2000 is currently listed for sale. Gonna see what happens. I'm not gonna let it go for cheap with it. You guys already know there's a ton of work that went into that car. We have a ton of fun with that car. We go to the track with the car. But I'm just trying to see if I can shift some stuff around, and if no matter what, if we replace the S2000 or get rid of the S2000, we're gonna replace it with something even more competitive. So it's probably gonna be a Corvette all done up for the track or something along that nature. But either way, I'm not mad if it sells. I'm not mad if it doesn't sell. We'll figure it out. But I'm just trying to see if I can free up a little bit of cash resources and move some stuff around, shift some stuff around, and also probably get a new project since that one's pretty much wrapped up. But that's gonna do it for today's video. Make sure you get a thumbs up before you take off. If you're stopping in for the first time, hit that subscribe button, turn on that bell. Even if you are subscribed, it'll notify you of all the latest videos. See you on the next one.